How's it going? Welcome everyone to my new Polkadot price prediction for the month of February 2024. Having a great time as the markets are advancing towards the upside. BTC, Ethereum have moved quite well. Polkadot is sitting on a greatness. Not much volume going around the space, $133 million at this time. We are looking for taking this to the high, $37 billion for the last 24 hours, still up with 27%. Imagine we were a lot lower than that. So now the crypto market cap is starting on another round of increases, 0.52%. We're up. BTC, Ethereum broke out of a specific resistance structure, and this is going to point some greatness around the space. Before we get into the Polkadot price prediction, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you enjoy this ones, especially if you like trading. For example, I have a live trade going around $202,000 on this BTC trade out here. We're leveraged out and we're having a great time. Cannot complain about it. If you want to be part of my trading, feel free to check out my journey where you can join. Option number 1 is without any prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits made, where the trading is running completely outsourced for you with API trading permission. So it's a completely done for you, complete system, right? So that's something you guys can consider. At the same time, for those of you that are interested in financial freedom, then we speak about the one-on-one coaching program where I'll teach you to trade. I'll take you by and then teach you how to trade. Basically, you need to prepare your weapons before the bull market starts. So what's happening on the Polkadot is something that we actually care about. 4-hour candlesticks out here with this specific contextual situation. A downtrending situation that we're still trading with. A downtrading momentum that we are actually needing to face with. Polkadot is having a resistance appearing at $7 right there, which is marking basically the entire period resistance channel, and this is going to be considered a 41 days movement, which is quite strong, folks. At the same time, it would expect basically a breakout. So for example, you have the ability to get into the reverse golden pocket right there, although from the top, which was at 9.6, Polkadot deep decreased a lot, guys. More than what people expected usually, especially with the last dump we were printing out. That was quite aggressive and powerful, and I would actually prefer to stop somewhere around 6.7, 6.8, around this lows right here. I would actually would have preferred to get stock at that level due to the fact that at this point we would have been broke out already of the structure of the downtrend, and that would have meant a lot basically considering the upper targets. So now we're actually dealing with a total different structure, and the one we're trading basically will have the reverse resistance of the golden pocket at $7.4. That's where the first big deal appears, from where you can actually still continue to the first supply, or you can retrace back to their previous resistance, future support. That's how it's going to be trending line. So you have two choices from there at 7.4. A decision is going to be made at that time. We'll have to see how does the market behaves and reacts. You either come back basically to 6.8, 6.9, or you actually push through and you get into 7.6, 7.7 supply zone right there, from where you can come back basically to the golden pocket. And I would say you would actually need to come back to the golden pocket, which means back to 7.2, 7.3 right there. And this can easily take you basically to the 8.2, 8.4 targets. This is a major target for February. This is a target basically that's going to be achieved if BTC as well is going for breaking the top, and along the way with the Ethereum reaching in the tops. So we're actually speaking about a situation where Bitcoin should break the $43, $44, $45,000 tops, one after the other, and continue with massive volume, which will allow basically Polkadot to have those days of 30 to 40%. This is how you can achieve those levels. On top of that, if you get there quickly, we'll have to speak about a different representation basically for February, aiming in the upper side of the volume weighted average price indicator. Once you get out of everything, we will have the ability basically to portray numbers around that one as well. So for the moment, we're looking into the structure of 6.9 as we're trading up to 8.5. This is where we will be zigzagging for a round. That's pretty much all, guys. Hope you have enjoyed. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and at the same time, if you would like to join my trades, feel free to reach out. All the links are in the description area and comments area. Feel free to reach out for a quick conversation, completely done for you, and just based on commission, nothing upfront. At the same time, for those of you that would like to become sort of a way financial free by trading, then you would like to get the proper education for that. It's time to trade correctly, it's time to trade based on the markets, and it's time to let the hope on the side, because too many people these days trade based on hopes. Trade, open, hope, open, hope. Open a trade, hope it works. Open a trade, hope it works. It's not like that, folks. This is not gambling. This is not about hoping. Enjoy. We'll talk to you soon.